Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, Madness Autoworks, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Madness GOPedal on your Ford Bronco. No tools needed except for maybe a flashlight. You're going to unplug the top of the gas pedal and install this end, and the harness that you take off the gas pedal is going into this end. The first step to installing the GOPedal is to make sure the car is completely powered down. Okay, you're going to slide up on the lock, then right underneath the lock there's a tab you're going to push and remove the plug. Now on the module, the red locking tabs, this is going to go on top of the pedal. Okay, once you got the connectors connected, what you're going to do is power on the vehicle. And how you do that without starting it is you, with key in car, just push this start stop button with your foot off the brake, and this will power everybody up. You got your modes, you have your settings. Off, first setting, and go up. Or you can detune it and go to the next. Same. That is how you install the Madness GOPedal in your Ford Bronco. Any questions, please give us a call or email.